This is WTHR TV Channel 13, serving Indianapolis. We have activated the emergency broadcast system due to an emergency currently in progress. Please listen to the following instructions as they are important for your safety. This is not a test. The governor of Indiana has declared a statewide lockdown for the entire state of Indiana due to reports of citizens about 3 entities roaming around Hamilton and Indianapolis. These entities are described as unknown height, unknown gender, and particularly black. Witnesses have also described these entities with white eyes and sharp razor teeth, and they're also hungry for human flesh. It's confirmed that these creatures have been nicknamed Intruders, as they are believed to break into houses of people who break into houses or private properties. All persons must listen to these instructions for your safety. Hide and don't wander off. Stay in one room. Wait for the intruder to leave the house. If the intruder sees you, then don't attack. I hope you're ready for when you're in an intruder incident. This concludes this activation of the emergency broadcast system. Please stay safe.